Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you one more stitch, really thick one and warm. It's stretchy and that's why it can be used as vertical ribbing. It's easy because it has only one row to knit and it reminds me garter stitch. So for this stitch you need to cast on an odd number plus 2 selvage stitches. I'm using 4.5 sorry 4 millimeters knitting needles, and it's written a bulky weight yarn but looks like medium. Slip the first stitch, and we always knit first stitch, always. After that, insert the needle between the first and second stitches on the left hand needle and draw up a loop. Now knit two together through the back loops and drop. That's it, that's what we are going to repeat. Insert the needle between first and second stitches on the left hand needle and now knit two together through the back loop. And please pay attention that knit one we make only at the beginning of each row. Now again, let's repeat. Insert in between, yarn over, draw up a loop. Now knit these two stitches through the back loop. And let's repeat. Draw up a loop, knit two together, back loops only. And repeat again. That's what makes this stitch warm and thick. And purl the last selvage stitch. Turn. And let's repeat the same row. Slip the first stitch and knit one. Please don't forget to knit always first stitch. After that again, insert between next two, draw up a loop, and now knit two together through the back loop. Draw up a loop, no knit one here, knit two together, back loop. Perfect. That's it, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you are going to use this stitch, please let me in comment how did you use it. Thank you again for watching this tutorial with me. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I wish you all a good day. Bye for now.